Hello folks. So in this video I'm going to cover how to do the dot product of two vectors, right? So dot product of two vectors. Okay, and the way we do it is, first of all, let's define a vector one, which is np dot array, and then 4 6 8, let's say, and the next vector is vec2 equals to np dot array 2 3 5. Now we want to do a dot product of these two vectors, and the way we do it is np dot and then the name of first vector, which is vec1, comma second vector, which is vector2, and then hit shift enter. So the dot product is 66 here. Okay, so this is the way we do a dot product of two vectors. So guys, this is it for this video. I will be covering the next topics in the upcoming video, so keep on watching and hit like and subscribe button if you like this video. Thank you.